So hello there YouTube. This is my short little Concord River solo kayaking trip. I took this, a little short trip up the Concord River in Billerica, Mass. Alright. Alright, so heading down the Concord River, do some kayaking. Take a look and see what's down here for scenery. I've always wanted to go down here and either canoe or kayak down the river, so I'm gonna give it a shot today. We're gonna scout the area and then we'll come back another day and do some fishing. Big cesspool. You know, I lived along the Concord River all my life. I moved to Chelsea recently and it's right in back of my house. So I've been dying to get out there on a kayak and explore it. So today this video is going to show some of my explorations. So heading up the river, we got some serious rain here the other night. So the river's up about 6 inches and it's quite a current. It's not a white water type current, but still enough that makes you work paddling to get up it. Oof. Just went about a quarter of a mile in this. I'm hoping to come up to the bridge over here and hit some calmer water, get out of the current. You hear the noises? You can hear all kinds of wildlife out here. Waiting to see if I see any deer drinking by the water. So I ended up taking my camera along so I could take some pictures of some of the wildlife. There's quite a big variety of birds out there, and water rats, beavers, all kinds of stuff. Blue herons. What do you think of this? Not too bad. This is the Concord River. It's a little scummy, but it's what I have in my backyard that I haven't taken advantage of in the last 12 years. So check it out. You can see the current's ripping pretty good. You can see it moving. Now, the good thing about the current is we get a free ride back. I won't even have to paddle. You can imagine what this river is, how the current is when there's another 6 inches of water. This is pretty good. So I believe this is the Pollard Street Bridge that we're going under. This is right off the Concord River in Billerica. Upriver. Upriver is where you want to go. The bass are up here. I took this early trip so I could do some pre-fish scouting, so I could take a look and see where the banks are and see if I could spot some fish. Just basically analyze and check out the spots where I think would be fish, so I can come back up here another time and bring my rods and cast a few lines. Big bass. I only went upriver about 1.5 miles, 2 miles, maybe 3 tops, and I had to make my way back because it started getting dark. This is right after work, and like I said, I just want to check the area out, scout it out, and see if I could find any hot spots. Make my way back now, and hopefully I can take you guys along with me again for some more fishing out here. YouTube, I just want to say thank you guys all for watching my video. I'm glad you tagged along and joined me on my voyage up the river. So hopefully you'll come back and take a look at some of my fishing videos from up here. Hopefully we catch some big pike in upcoming fall that's coming in the winter. Maybe some big largemouth and smallmouth bass. Who knows? Just want to say thank you guys for coming. If you like my channel, please click like. If you want to subscribe, please click that subscribe button. Thank you.